Starting a garden is exciting. It's a chance to connect with nature and create something beautiful and sustainable right in your own backyard. Fresh air, sunshine, and homegrown food. Imagine the joy of stepping outside and picking your own vegetables for dinner. But choosing what to grow can feel overwhelming. With so many options, it's easy to feel lost. So many seeds, so many plants. How do you decide which ones are right for you? Don't worry, it gets easier. With a little guidance, you'll find the perfect plants for your garden. This guide will help you choose easy, fast-growing vegetables. These are perfect for beginners and will give you a sense of accomplishment. You'll be enjoying your harvest in no time. Fresh, delicious vegetables that you grew yourself. Remember, gardening is a journey. Enjoy every step. From planting the first seed to harvesting your crops, every moment is rewarding. Why are the right seeds and plants so important? They make gardening easier, especially for beginners. Some vegetables grow quickly, others need more time, some handle heat well, others prefer cooler weather. Choosing the right ones for your climate and garden size is key. This ensures you see results and builds your confidence. Let's talk about some foolproof vegetables that are perfect for first-time gardeners. Starting a garden can be a bit overwhelming, but choosing the right vegetables can make all the difference. These vegetables are quick to grow and deliver delicious results, making them ideal for those just getting their hands dirty in the garden. Radishes, ready to harvest in about a month. These little root vegetables are not only fast-growing but also incredibly easy to care for. They add a peppery crunch to salads, making them a delightful addition to your meals. Plus, their vibrant red color can brighten up any dish. Leaf lettuce grows quickly and provides fresh greens for sandwiches and salads. You can start harvesting the leaves as soon as they are big enough to eat, ensuring a continuous supply of fresh greens. Bush beans. These compact plants produce lots of beans in a small space. They are perfect for small gardens or even container gardening. Zucchini. One or two plants will give you more zucchini than you can handle. They grow rapidly and can be used in a variety of dishes, from stir-fries to baked goods. These vegetables are low maintenance and rewarding. They require minimal effort but provide maximum yield, making them perfect for busy gardeners. A great way to start your gardening journey. With these easy winners, you'll gain confidence and experience, setting the stage for a lifetime of successful gardening. Happy planting! Now the big question. Start from seeds or buy starter plants. Both have their own unique advantages. Seeds are generally cheaper and offer a wider variety of plant options. You can find rare and heirloom varieties that might not be available as starter plants. However, starting from seed takes more time and effort. You need to be patient and provide the right conditions for germination and growth. This includes proper lighting, temperature, and moisture levels. On the other hand, starter plants give you a head start. They are convenient and can save you weeks of waiting. With starter plants, you can see immediate progress in your garden, but they come with a higher price tag and offer fewer choices. The selection is often limited to common varieties, and you might miss out on some unique plants. When deciding, think about your budget, the amount of time you can dedicate, and your personal preferences. Do you enjoy the process of nurturing plants from the very beginning, or do you prefer the convenience of starter plants? Ultimately, it's about finding what works best for you and your garden. Don't be afraid to experiment with both methods. You might find that a combination of seeds and starter plants gives you the best results.